Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve a Hyper-V error message code that the application encountered an error while attempting to change the state of and then whatever item it was attempting to modify. So should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. First thing I recommend doing would be to actually restart your entire computer. And now open up services and go ahead and open up the best match here. Any Hyper-V services in here, you want to just scroll down. You want to go ahead and double click on all of them and make sure they're all set to stopped. If any of them are started, you want to select the stop button. I just want to put that out there. So again, go through all of them, make sure they're all stopped. And if it says that it is running, you would select stop button. Pretty self-explanatory here. And then hopefully I should have been able to resolve the problem, guys. At this point, you can also close out of here. And if you right click on the start button and select Task Manager, if you notice any apps under here that said Hyper-V Manager, you can just select it and then End Task. And then hopefully that would have been able to resolve the problem if then you attempt to run that command you were doing before. And hopefully that error message should no longer be present. So as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.